So last week we were talking about how you can replace a windshield that is broken or has a crack or had too much glue and whatever. Well, of course, there comes another case in place where you might not even have a windshield. Maybe you ordered just a resin body or you just lost it or whatever. Well, there's a way to do that too. Let me see, this is our body, and you don't have nothing then, just this, but you want to have windshields in, right? So what you're gonna do, you get yourself from an old kit, the carton, or any other carton would do it too, but just don't use normal paper, it might be a little bit too thin. So there you go, cut it that it almost fit in here, and now you just push it as hard as you can on the body. Give yourself the lines. I hope you can see that. Just do that, right? So now this is of course a little bit too small, but that would fall through the body. So you give yourself, either you do it really exactly, but here for just demonstration I will go fast over it. So you give yourself maybe 2 millimeters more of flash, cut that out. Like I said, I do this just for demonstration. If you want to do that on your thing, but please take a little bit more time. But just to see how it goes. So now you have a template. And you see still here's missing one. So now you just put that on again on what we talked last week on one of those foils, and cut it out, and then you have your new windshield. Well, now this week we want to do something different, but if you want to have a toned windshield or even something like really crazy, like with that little fella here, you know, kind of thought like with the red rims, you know, and the red kind of is a theme in the whole thing. Well, it would be cool to have a red windshield as well. If you want to have a red windshield or a toned windshield like brownish, blackish, well, that's super easy too. All that you do is, instead of taking those foils that are see-through, well, they have it in all kind of colors. They have it in red, which I used on that V16 hot rod, or they have it in blue, they have it in brown, and all kind of colors. So, well, this is it for this week. I hope that helped you a little bit if you lose a windshield, or you want to do toned windows, or you just want to go really crazy with blue, green, all kind of stuff that fits to the color. But this was the tip of this week.